AgTech Tech Tip: Waterflow. After completing your takeoff or machine control model in Gradework, use the waterflow tool to quickly visually inspect the slope direction, making sure the runoff will flow to the proper inlets. While the 3D view is great for inspecting the 3D model for errors, it may not show the subtle changes in slope that may change the direction of the flow of runoff. In edit mode, click the waterflow button on the toolbar. Now we can keep the 10-foot interval or enter a grid interval to change the spacing. And click OK. The arrows show the direction of the water flow. Longer lines represent steeper slopes. In this example, we can see the water is not flowing into the inlet. Plus marks indicate the area is flat around the inlet, which would create an issue with drainage. However, if we add data lines showing the direction of the slope, we can see the water is now flowing into the inlet. Another thing to check is to make sure no runoff exits the site onto adjacent properties. Import your drone flights to calculate progress volumes and verify the site is draining properly. Here we can see the site is draining to the temporary drainage areas properly, with no flat spots. Again, make sure no water is leaving the site. You can view the cut fill map in the background to verify water is flowing to the proper drainage channels. Use the water flow tool as part of your normal routine for verifying and correcting any drainage issues.